When I first started using ChatGPT, I had no idea it could actually make me money, real money, like $500 a day kind of money. I thought it was just a fun AI tool for writing or answering questions. But then I began to realize something powerful. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's a money-making machine if you know how to use it the right way. The truth is, you don't need any experience, no fancy degree, and definitely no coding skills. You just need a bit of creativity and the willingness to use AI smartly. I'll be honest. The first few days, I just played around with it. I asked ChatGPT to write blog posts, product descriptions, even funny Instagram captions. But one night I thought, what if people actually paid me to do this for them? So I went to Fiverr. That's a freelancing site where people sell small jobs. I searched for AI writing and I saw something crazy. People were making hundreds and some even thousands writing blog posts, social media captions, and product listings using ChatGPT. That's when it clicked. I didn't need to be a professional writer. I just needed to know how to use the tool. So here's what I did. I created a Fiverr profile and listed a simple gig. I'll write SEO-friendly blog posts using AI. I used ChatGPT to write my gig description because honestly, it's great at that too. I set my starting price at $10 per article. Within a few days, I got my first order. Then my second, then my third. And before I knew it, I was averaging $100 to $150 a day, just writing content that ChatGPT helped me create in minutes. But here's where it got really interesting. I realized I could expand. I started offering social media post writing and product descriptions. Businesses always need this stuff, especially small ones who can't afford big marketing agencies. I'd use ChatGPT to generate 5 or 6 options, tweak the best one to sound more natural and send it off. The clients loved it. They thought I was some marketing genius, when in reality, I was just good at prompting AI. Now, if you're wondering how to get started, it's honestly easier than ever. You can use ChatGPT's free version, or if you want faster, more detailed responses, upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. Then think of what people need online every single day. Content, design, ideas, emails, ads, scripts, reviews, all of it can be made with AI. Your goal isn't to reinvent the wheel, it's to help people save time. For example, if you're good with words, use ChatGPT to write for others. If you like research, offer AI-powered research summaries. If you like creativity, make YouTube script writing gigs. You can even use ChatGPT to help you build prompts, like asking, give me 10 profitable gig ideas that use ChatGPT. The AI literally gives you the blueprint for your next side hustle. At one point, I started using ChatGPT to generate social media content for small businesses. I'd find local shops or online stores, message them on Instagram and say, hey, I can help you write engaging posts that bring more followers. Most of them said yes. Why? Because they hate writing captions. And I was offering them something fast, affordable, and effective. I charged $50 for 10 posts, and it took me less than 30 minutes to create them. That's $100 an hour, just using AI. Then I found another method, using ChatGPT to write and sell eBooks. This one blew my mind. I'd ask ChatGPT to outline an ebook around trending topics, like how to start a side hustle in 2025, or the beginner's guide to AI tools. Then I'd expand each chapter using prompts like, write this in a friendly and conversational tone. Once done, I formatted it using Canva and uploaded it to Gumroad. Boom, passive income. Every time someone bought it, I made $20. And it keeps selling even when I'm asleep. By the end of the month, I had multiple small income streams. Freelance gigs, social media clients, ebook sales, all powered by ChatGPT. None of it required big investments or special skills, just time, consistency, and curiosity. Here's the part most people miss. It's not about the AI, it's about you. The AI gives you tools, but you're the one who gives it direction. You're the one who decides what problems to solve and how to offer it to others. The people who win in this new era aren't the smartest. They're the ones who act. So yeah, when I say I make $500 a day using ChatGPT, it's not magic. It's simply knowing how to use AI like a business partner. Every chat becomes an opportunity. Every idea becomes a product. Every word becomes value. And maybe you're sitting there thinking, can I really do it? Let me tell you something. I started from zero. No audience, no fancy setup, just a laptop and a free AI tool. And now I work for myself, make money online, and have more freedom than ever before. Because the truth is, ChatGPT isn't replacing people. It's rewarding the ones who are smart enough to use it. Once I started earning a few $100s here and there using ChatGPT, I realized something important. Making money online isn't the hard part. The real challenge is scaling it, turning a few side gigs into a full-time income. So in this part, I'll break down exactly how I went from random small jobs to making $500 a day, every single day, using ChatGPT and smart automation. When you hit that stage where clients start coming to you, you need systems, not stress. I built mine slowly. First, I made a few templates inside ChatGPT for the things I did most often. Blog posts, captions, product descriptions, YouTube scripts. That way I didn't have to start from scratch each time. I'd just paste the client's details and let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. This one change tripled my productivity. Then I began using automation tools. For example, I used Canva's Magic Write, which connects with ChatGPT-style AI to quickly design and caption posts for clients. I used Notion AI to organize my daily workflow, all free tools, by the way. And when I got too many requests, I trained ChatGPT to write in my personal tone and style. You can literally feed it your old work and say, write like this. The more you do it, the smarter it gets. Soon I wasn't just freelancing, I was building a mini content agency powered by AI. I had repeat clients. I started charging higher rates, $50, $100, even $200 per job, because now I wasn't just selling writing. I was selling speed, quality, and results. Clients loved that I could deliver in hours, not days. That's the edge AI gives you. But then I took it one step further. I built digital products. Remember those eBooks I mentioned? I used ChatGPT to write them, Canva to design them, and Gumroad to sell them. But I didn't stop there. I turned those books into mini courses using platforms like Teachable and Udemy. I'd record simple screen tutorials using AI-generated scripts. Each course sold for $20, $50, and it's all passive income. No customer service, no shipping, just digital cash flow. Another trick I used was turning ChatGPT into a YouTube content machine. You don't even need to show your face. I'd pick trending finance or productivity topics, ask ChatGPT to write engaging scripts, and then use AI voice tools like 11 Labs to narrate them. With free video tools like Pictory or CapCut, I created short videos that started gaining traction fast. Within a month, my channel got monetized, another passive stream. And here's something few people realize. Businesses are desperate for AI consultants right now. You can offer to help small brands or creators use ChatGPT to improve their marketing, write ads, or even plan launches. I've helped local businesses write better emails using AI and got paid $300, $500 per project. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need to understand how to talk to ChatGPT in a way that gets results. That's a real skill, and it's in demand. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds like a lot. But here's the secret. You don't have to do everything. Just pick one path, focus on it for 30 days, and let AI do 70% of the work. Once that starts bringing income, add another layer. That's how you build momentum. And don't worry if you're starting with $0, because I did too. All the tools I used have free versions. ChatGPT free, Canva free, CapCut free, Notion AI free. You don't need money, you need movement. The truth is, we're living in a time where AI has leveled the playing field. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to be resourceful. 10 years ago, you'd need a team, capital, and connections to make $500 a day online. Today, all you need is curiosity and ChatGPT. I wake up, open my laptop, and my income doesn't depend on luck. It depends on systems I built with AI. And every day, I think about how crazy it is that this little chatbot helped me quit my job, build freedom, and create a life on my own terms. So here's my punchline for you. The kind that I wish someone had told me when I started. You don't need permission to change your life. You don't need luck, talent, or even experience. You just need one decision: to use the tools the world already gave you. Because while most people are scrolling through AI videos, a few are using AI to rewrite their story. And the question is, which one are you going to be?